up, y'all? We're here at MGM National Harbor, and I'm here to play Dancing Drums Explosion. So, here's the golden drum up there, y'all. You see it? Okay. Now, I have $30 of free play. I'm going to put $5 in because, again, at MGM, the free play, if you use it, you have to use money in it to activate it. Okay? So, I'm going to start with $1.88. Just for the heck of it. I don't know what's going to happen. Oh, honey, I got drums right off the bat. Okay, well, that's great. Okay, I already get this feeling that this is gonna be great here, y'all. I have this feeling this is gonna be great. Now, I usually do 15 spins. I'm doing 10 spins today. I'm gonna do 10. Let's just see what happens, okay? You know, this game is fans too, so I'm trying to make sure that I get it all. Oh, goodness. This is great. It started great right off the bat at $1.88. That works for me. Come on now, do something. Got 4 spins left. Come on, give me a big hit of some kind, some more spins or something. Got 1 spin left, y'all. Well, that didn't do too great. It's $21.60 though. I'll take it. I'll take that. Go ahead and put that on in there. So we got $26.24 left for free play. Let's see how it goes. Never know. That was great right off the bat. See how we can keep this going. I hope it can give me some more spins or the treasure chest or something. You know, sometimes when it gives you a bonus right off the bat, sometimes, you know, I get a little scared of that. Sometimes everybody don't want to give you nothing else. But, you know, we'll see. We shall see. All right. No, that could have happened. That could have happened. Really. Well, at least I'm getting some line hits. It's not like I'm not getting anything, you know? I'm getting something. All right, y'all. Free play is totally over with. We're going to play this down to 20. It's just let's just see if anything happens. That's $4 hit, though. I'll take that. $4 hit. You know, I wish that screen could fill up with all those like little dragon dogs or whatever they are. That's some money right there. Come on, you can do it again. You know, I have it at $1.88. I wonder if I put it down if it'll do something different. I don't know. Let's try it. Let's put it down to 88¢, y'all, because y'all know how I like the 88¢ on this. I really do. Sometimes I just really feel like I could do something great on that. Come on now. Come on. You gave me some spins right off the bat. That was fantastic. I'm looking for you to do something else. Oh boy. I don't know. This is getting a little scary. Y'all. Now, you know, that just skipped all over that. Why? That did not have to happen like that. Wow. Well, it gave me spins just to take the money back, I see. Hmm. Still got a few cents left now. Dollar, that's a dollar hit. I thought it was gonna be something else. Dollar hit though. Wow. Oh my goodness, y'all. This just did not work out the way I thought it was going to. One spin left. And as you see, it skipped all over that. All right, y'all. Gonna move on to something else. All right, y'all. I'm still here. This might seem strange, but I put $5.79 in this machine just to see if it'll do something else. I don't know, but I just want to see. Okay, so I'm gonna play. Keep it on 88 cent. 1 cent to nom. Oh my God, that's $32. Look at that. I put $5 in here, honey, and some change, and it just gave me $32. And that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. That is great. See, I just put a little bit of money in here. It's on 88 cents. When I first when I first did the free play, I did it on $1.88. Okay, it gave me spins right off. But it didn't keep it up. It took that little $20 or some change that it gave me. It took it back. So here I am again. I just want to see what's gonna happen, but that was $32. Wow. Should I keep it up, y'all? I don't even know right now. Yeah, I just play it down to 20 and just see what happens. Because you never know. I play it down to 20, but that was great. Something else happened. Can I get a treasure chest or something? Can I get something? Something else. Come on now. I don't want to. I'm not gonna play it past 20. I do not want to play it past 20. Now it's not even giving me no line hits. And you know that could have happened. I could have got some spins. But maybe it's just not giving spins today. I mean, my goodness. Okay, this is going to be the last spin because I'm not playing it past that. I'm not going to do it. Wow. All right, y'all. Moving on to something else.